Hello guys, myself Suratha Kumar Misra. Amway Business, amazing products, outstanding opportunity, inspiring possibilities. This is Amway Business. In this business, you have the opportunity to control your own future. What would you do with extra time? And what would you do with extra money? On your current career path, what are your chances of living the life you want? A simple concept built on common sense, hard work, and rewarding people for their accomplishment. 6 decades back, Rich DeVos and Jeff and Andel sat down together to think through an idea, a business plan that grew from their own passionate desire to provide a better life for their growing families. The idea was to develop a unique concept that would give people the chance to start their own businesses by providing world class products, training, and support. Their goal was to help direct sellers take control of their lives. Today, that simple idea conceived 6 decades back has become a global phenomenon, and the legacy continues through the leadership of the next generation. Amway provides millions of individuals worldwide the possibilities to pursue their own path to success. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about this exciting opportunity. Now, the question is, are you ready to change your life? Really? Are you ready to change your life? Did you know 780 plus patents granted and 220 products are pending in patenting lines? Operates in more than 100 countries and territories in Asia, Africa, Australia, Europe, and America. Since 1959, Amway has paid out more than 4.3 lakhs crore in commissions and incentives. Do you know? 100% satisfaction guarantees on these products. 100% satisfaction guarantee. Amway in India, in operation since 1998, turnover 2000 crores and over 140 world class products. Partners in progress and together with India for India, make in India. Number one, make in India. Amway has invested 600 crores in India for our own state Tamil Nadu of the art manufacturing plant to augment the asset in manufacturing base. Number two, clean environment. Our state of the art manufacturing plant is among the first in India to comply with the most stringent international environment standards. Number three, leveraging digital technology. 1/3 of our sales is via www.amway.in, and this percentage is growing steadily. Number 4, women empowerment. Women empowerment. Majority of our direct sellers are women. Number 6, corporate citizenship. Amway CSR initiative has helped lakhs of individuals, especially children, over the past many years, and last is direct credit to bank accounts. All payments. All payments to Amway direct sellers and direct retailers are made directly into their respective bank account. This is Amway. And Amway has various brands across different categories to meet your needs. Air purifier, in personal care, nutrition and wellness, home care, beauty, durables, nutrition, traditional herbs. The satisfaction guarantee 100%. All Amway products come with 100% money back and satisfaction guarantee within 30 days from the date of purchase. This is Amway. So, guys, come to this awesome platform and fulfill your all type of dreams. Thank you so very much.